everyone, this is Sugan Khanna and I'm having 10 years of experience working with PHP, Drupal and much more. You can find me on LinkedIn with the shared link. This is the third session of PHP basic training and here we will learn what arrays are. PHP arrays are the collection of variables grouped under one name. The array function accepts any number of comma separated values. Array syntax is mentioned as on the screen. This is a dollar sign. Then there is an array name. It can be any name. Then this is the keyword array and parenthesis, and then your values goes on. There are some built-in functions which can be used with PHP arrays. These are array push. Generally, this is used for adding element to an existing PHP array, then unset for removing elements from an existing PHP array, then in array, it will check if a value exists in your PHP array, then basically sorts the value. There are more functions also, but we are just limited with just few examples to wrap up videos in short lectures. Let's come on to the real-time example. Go into the code. Let me remove all this code. Here is a basic PHP syntax. And let's declare one array. This is what I have declared an array. Now, if I do print $car and save the file, let's refresh the server. Let's refresh this file. And here you can see array to string conversion, it cannot be done because I have used print. To debug or to print the array generally, we use print underscore r. So let's do it with that. Here you can see the array is printed out now. If I do the source code, it will give you like this. So these are the key and this is the value. These are the indexed arrays. Let's take few more examples. The syntax which we have seen in the PPT is equals to array. This is a syntax which I have just shown you. This will also work. Let's say or any other class name. XYZ, I can't remember the class name. Tulip. Now let's print the flowers. Let's check. Here you can see array is printed. And in a more sorted form, it is showing like this. I have done the control plus U command to get the source code, and it is giving you in a more organized way how the array is displaying over here. Now let's try some functions which we just used here, which we just discussed here. So array push is basically used for adding elements to an existing PHP array. Now, if I use here dollar combined array, array push, it is giving you this syntax. Okay. So here I'm taking dollar $car. So make this array push into dollar $flowers. Now let's print this combined array. Let's print it. And here you can see the combination is showing like this. This is a car and this is the flowers array. So if you print the cars array, it will give you this result. Now let's do some other examples. Let's say if you want to search the keyword lotus exists in an array or not. So in that case, what you will do is you will use the inArrays function. So in array, this is a needle and it's a haystack. So needle is what you need to search for. So I'm adding is keyword lotus, is key lotus exists in this array flowers. I will not use a ternary operator here. I will just use the if else condition, and I'll show you later how we use the if else condition. So if in array this equals to true, print lotus. So here I'm taking the condition if in array. So if this lotus key, if this lotus value is falling under this array flowers, okay, this is not required. If this condition is true, then lotus will get print, else it will print nothing. Now let's refresh it and check. As you can see, there is lotus got printed over here. That's all for the PHP arrays. You can try the other functions like unset or sort, or there are more functions in arrays. So you can Google it over there and try more functions as you can to learn more in PHP arrays. I can lastly also show you unset, how to unset the PHP arrays. So for example, this is the second Volvo. You need to remove this. Okay. So it will, how it will shows like this is a 0 1. This is a first value. I mean 0. 0 is what? BMW. Here 1 is Volvo and second key is SUV. So this is the exactly what runs in the background. Yeah, this is the first zeroth index, then this is the first one, this is the second one. So if I use now, if I want to remove Volvo from this array, what I will do is I will do unset dollar car 02, sorry 01, because this is a first index. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. I have done this. Now I will print the car. I'm removing all this, save it. This also need to remove, else it will give you a syntax error. Now check the file. Now as you can see, the car array is printed over here, but there is no Volvo. So that means we have unset the first index, which is a Volvo one. Hope it is clear to you. Let's meet in another video. Thanks and have a great day.